So this is a video for the second bowling assignment in math and sports, and realize there are some problems on the back as well here that you need to do, but I will cover a couple of these. So the rules are very simple, but following the rules can be a bit of a challenge sometimes with bowling. So you get the points in the frame as is if you do not get a spare or a strike. If you get a spare, which is denoted by this /, you get 10 plus the points on the next roll. If you get a strike, which is denoted by an X in the second box in a frame, you get 10 plus the points on the next two rolls. And then in the last frame, there's 3 spaces because sometimes you need all 3 spaces depending on what you do in the first space or possibly the second space. And you would only need 2 spaces if you don't get a spare or a strike. All right, so game 1 here, 8 and a 1, that's 9. And so down here, these are the cumulative score. I just write the points above and then add them in the end and write that final score. And at bowling alleys, they like to do the cumulative score. So 9, this one is 9 as well. This one is 10 plus the points on the next roll, which is also a 10. So this frame here is 20 points. This frame is 10 plus the points on the next 2 rolls, which are a 6 and a 3. So that's 19. This one is 9. This one is 7. This one is 7. This one is 10 plus the points on the next 2 rolls, which are 0 and 6. I should have put plus 0 plus 6. And that's 16. And then this one is 6. Here it's 10 plus the points on the next roll, which is 10. So there's 20 points in that particular frame. Same thing on the second line here. So this is 5, this is 9, this is 10 plus the points on the next 2 rolls, which are a 10 and a 0. Here this is a 10 plus the points on the next 2 rolls, which are a 0 and a 9. This one is 9. This one is 10. It's a spare plus the points on the next roll, which is 0. Here another spare, which is 10 plus the points on the next roll, which is a 1. This is a 9, this is a 9, and this is a 6. So up here, I probably should have written this as plus 6 plus 3, 10 plus 6 plus 3 there. And then my other one here, this should have been plus 0 plus 6. So you're seeing the points in the next 2 rolls clearly there. So this is an example of a couple of games on scoring bowling. And so you have these 3 to do, and then on the back here, some more games to do and try. And this is a video again for the second bowling assignment in math and sports.